In this Hostinger tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a Hostinger account step by step from start to finish. Creating an account with Hostinger is a quick and easy process. Also providing you with a Hostinger discount so you can save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. You'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $278 a month, plus a free domain name, instead of the regular $299 pricing. Let's get started with the Create Hostinger Account tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create a Hostinger account is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Hostinger and so you can take advantage of the Hostinger discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description to enter at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger page. Scroll down and you'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Premium, Business, and Cloud plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, global data centers, unmetered bandwidth, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. The Premium web hosting plan comes with 25 websites, 25 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan includes 25,000 website visits per month, standard performance, 25 GB SSD storage, weekly backups, standard DDoS protection, and starter WooCommerce. The Business web hosting plan comes with everything the Premium plan comes with, along with 50 websites, 50 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan comes with 100,000 website visits per month, basic WooCommerce, daily backups, free CDN, 50 GB NVMe storage, WordPress staging tool, object cache for WordPress, on-demand backup, WordPress AI tools, enhanced DDoS protection, e-commerce features with the Hostinger website builder, 0% transaction fees, and 100+ payment methods. The Cloud Startup plan comes with everything the Business plan comes with. This plan comes with 100 websites, 100 free email accounts, and includes a free domain name on annual plans. This plan comes with 100 GB NVMe storage, dedicated IP address, standard WooCommerce, 200,000 website visits per month, and priority support. Click the Choose Plan button on the plan you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Premium web hosting plan. You'll now be on the cart page. Over to the right, you'll see Have a Coupon Code. Click this. Paste in a Hostinger promo code I've included with the link in the description. Click Apply. You'll see the new discount amount showing, saving you additional money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. Over to the left, under Period, you can choose your hosting term. Click from the drop down and you can choose between 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. The free domain name is with any of the annual plans. I'll select the 12-month term for this tutorial. Next, click the Continue button. You can now register your account to proceed with your Hostinger web hosting account creation. Click the Register button when you are done. Next, you want to input your billing address information in. You'll see you'll get a free domain name if going with an annual plan. You'll also receive free domain privacy protection with your domain name. Click the Continue button to proceed. Next, you want to input your payment information in. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all the different payment methods accepted by Hostinger. Something I want to note is after checking out with Hostinger, you'll be able to choose your free domain name if the plan you chose comes with one, or you can register a domain name or point it to Hostinger once inside the Hostinger dashboard. I'll choose Card. I'll click the Submit Payment button. You'll now receive an email with your receipt for your Hostinger purchase. Once inside the Hostinger H panel, you can easily register your free domain name where you see Claim Your Free Domain Name. Click Claim Domain to get your free domain name, or click Domains in the left side menu and click Get a New Domain to purchase a domain name. You've successfully created your Hostinger account. That is my Hostinger tutorial going over how to create a Hostinger account. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment, letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.